Hey there, it's Mindy, and you're seeing my face again, so that means I have another room makeover for you. I'm sharing my small half bathroom makeover. I spent under $100 on this, and I'm excited to share that with you. But before we get started, I want you to know that I have a resource for you if you are someone who struggles with decorating your home or struggles with starting a home decor project or just don't know where to start. So check the description box for a link to that, and let's get started. Okay, so apparently the files from when I started the makeover and took everything down and went through the process of actually making over the bathroom are all corrupted. So that's pretty much, from the start of this makeover. I do not have the video to show you the process that I went through. So what I'm gonna do, you're just gonna get like a vlog style reveal of the bathroom, and I'll just kind of talk you through what I did. And I'll tell you everything that I made and I bought. And most of these things that you'll see in the video, I did have previous videos for. Lots of DIYs in here, so I'll link to all of those videos in the description box if you're interested in seeing any of those. So let me show you the bathroom. So I'll start from this side. This is the inside of the bathroom. It's a small half bath under our stairs. So this is where the toilet is. This shelf here I made in a previous video a couple weeks back, all from scrap wood. So I made the brackets, the shelf, painted everything, and so the bathroom was originally this wall color, this creamish color, and you can see this is an angled ceiling, so I left that part that color, but everything else I painted in this green. This is called Money Moves, and it's from a paint company called Claire. I found them on Instagram, spelled C-L-A-R-E. I'll try to link to their website as well, but highly recommend this paint. It went on great. And it's all online, so you can just go pick your color and order and get it delivered to you, so I thought that was great. But on the shelf I have these sort of stoneware dupes that I did a few days ago in a video, and as well as this watercolor art piece in that same video, as well as this little planter on a plant stand. I had planned on ordering some new succulents for that, but Amazon has been out of the ones that I want, so I'm still waiting on that. Moving on to this wall. This is what you see when you first walk in to the bathroom. And here I have these two wooden I guess signs you would call them, or art pieces. And these I made in a previous Look for Less challenge video. I will link that. If you don't know what the Look for Less challenge is, it's put on by Yami at the channel The Latina Next Door. It's awesome. She does it every month, so if you have a YouTube channel, you can join in on that. And then moving on to this corner here, this little wall towel hook I also made in the same video with the stoneware and the watercolor. So that's that. And then, hi! This mirror is a Goodwill find, and I'll actually insert a clip for this. The way it looked originally, it was like a dark wood stain, and so I sanded that down If you see up close here, I wasn't able to get all of the finish off, but I actually really like how it looks. And then because of this detail on the inside, I decided to just paint that black instead of trying to sand it, because I don't have a detail sander. But that's that. And then this is the other shelf that I made in that shelf video as well. And then these little guys are also from Amazon. And I'll try to link these products in the description if you're interested. These labels I just added using my Cricut Joy, which I'm pretty excited about using. Those are the writable labels that you can do with that one. But anyway. And then the final touch is this rug, which is also from Amazon. I had planned on doing some tile in this bathroom, some stick-on tile. But what happened is this floor is very uneven. And I didn't realize until I started doing the project, but luckily I had only spent $20 on those sticky tiles. So I didn't waste too much. But all in all, for the things that I bought, I only spent right under $90. And that's including the paint. So I'll give you some better shots of the bathroom now, and I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. So I hope this small bathroom makeover gave you some ideas and inspiration to tackle your next project. If it did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor on a budget. Thanks for watching.